So, guys, as we all know, Akash has recently started its NEET PG preparation course, and it was previously only restricted to NEET UG, and now it has its own NEET PG course. Now, today we are going to compare Akash PG with Marrow, which is pretty old. I will make another video comparing it with Prepladder as well. But for now, I'm going to restrict it with Marrow because I am a Marrow Plan C user. So I think I can compare it with Marrow. So let's start. I felt like Akash PG is more or less similar to Marrow. Hence, I'm comparing it with it. Coming to the faculty part, I think Marrow faculty is amazing, but oh my god, Akash faculty, if you see all of them, they're all very good. And if you take student reviews, I know a few students who have personally been under these professors and they are in awe of the choice of professors of Akash. So I think in this aspect they are both equal. I just want to see the head-to-head fight of Marrow and Akash because both have amazing faculties, I feel. Now, as for the videos part, I felt the videos of Akash PG is really good. I haven't subscribed to it, but if you want, there are some free videos available on YouTube. I went through a few of them and they are really good. So I think Marrow videos are better because I'm talking about the new set. I have gone through the videos of the old set as well. Both are really good. They're really small according, like some are small, some are big according to the topics, and I really like how they are well distributed. So I really like Marrow videos in general because the topics are so well explained. But Akash PG videos are also good. Like I like how they put examples from all sorts of places. Now if anybody wants to see them, many of them are free. They are just available on YouTube, just like Marrow. So you can see them. There are a few topics on pharmacology, etc. You can just go through them. I think Akash PG videos are really good. But since I have seen how good Marrow can get, I will say Marrow is a little better, but then Akash PG videos are not bad as well. Now coming to the test pattern, I think I will go for Marrow because number of people who have subscribed to Marrow is obviously way more than the number of people who have subscribed to Akash. So right now, if I have to get an All India rank, I will kind of prefer Marrow than Akash because the number of people taking Marrow tests are way more than Akash. So I'll be a little selfish here and I will go for Marrow because I want to know where I stand. So for that reason, I'll take Marrow. However, since I have been Akash student in my NEET UG days, I have a little bit of Akash nostalgia. I think most of us have that. So if there is a shorter plan with lesser amount of money involved, I'll probably take the test series of Akash because they have proved to be amazingly fruitful in my NEET UG days. Coming to the future, I think if you are thinking of a long-term plan, you can very well subscribe Akash because there is a possibility that along, I'm not saying just offline, I'm saying along with the online classes, they can introduce offline classes because Akash has centers all over the country. So they might have online as well as offline classes. So I think the future is pretty bright for Akash because it's obviously better if you have both options. If someone gets the online facility along with offline, which is there in case of UG, undergraduate NEET. So I think the future is pretty good. So I will say you can just go for some Akash course which is less in money, but so the future I think is pretty bright for Akash. Also, we all know about Akash's marketing strategies and we all have a bit of nostalgia involved. So I think it will flourish. Summing it all up, I will basically say right now, if you have to take something, you can take Marrow over Akash because Marrow is also coming up with next level questions, that is NEXT, clinical questions based on next examination. So also for NEET PG, we know Marrow is the best till date. It has all kinds of strategies, exercising them over the years. So they are right now number one. But I think Akash is pretty good too. So you can try taking some courses there as well, because I know many people who take both. So that's all. I think Mero is better right now. And if you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. And it's a small channel, please help me grow. If you have any more video suggestions, write down in the comments. I'll surely get back to you. Thank you.